So welcome guys. Thanks for being here. I was updating information in the Discord. Foresee what we have, what options um, we could find. Jana, good morning. Ligi, hello, my friend Nico. How are you? Abdelila, hello, my friend Yahoo. Trading Field is here. Well, Wargasim, Sid, David, Nigel. Good morning, guys. So at this moment, I prefer to open a long position. That's my idea for today. So let's see what happened. We got the some high impact news, and it generate again an impact in gold. So it generate the some reactions in Nasdaq, Dow Jones, the CPI, and the jobless CPI in negative. Job claims normal, not that good. So well, we got another high impact news in 4 hours, something like this. So we have time. We have time. Camilo, ¿cómo estás? Ay, una semana complicada, difícil. Ayer todo fue felicidad, hoy ya todo está poquito ahí, ¿verdad? Nasdaq y Dow Jones cayendo. No lograron recuperar tanto, pero bueno. Así que bueno, ahí toca seguir esperando. Toca seguir esperando, ver qué nos va a dejar el mercado. Recuerden ahí, darle like, suscribirse. Remember, guys, try to help me with the likes. Try to subscribe. So let's roll to the fifth key for the giveaway. Let's see. Let me read the chat. Good morning, guys. Manish, good morning. For Severin, hello. Everything everybody's bit not trading was still recovering emotional from past losses. I hope didn't miss much. Feels good to be back. More or less. Difficult Wednesday, difficult Thursday, Tuesday, because we touch three stops very easily. Um, Now the market looks quiet. Look, now the market looks quiet. Yesterday was totally green market, but well, it's part of the reactions and everything. So just we need to be patient, and see what happened. See what happened there. Now my idea it's wait the retracement to 3103, and then we will wait the confirmation. That's all. Savi's here. Welcome, my friend. Phil, how many think I giveaway for you giving? I will. The giveaway is going to be for $500. Laurito, ¿cómo estás? Hey, can you explain me in simple terms the consistency rule? No lo entiendo. Si puedes, por favor. Claro, si por ejemplo, si mete muchas entradas, le va a subir. Si pierde, le va a subir un poquito. Si gana uno o dos trades por día, el consistency rule le va a bajar. ¿Ok? Entonces depende mucho de eso, ¿verdad? Tengo gente en positivo, muy buen positivo, pero tienen que bajar el consistency rule metiendo uno, dos trades por día. ¿Por qué? Porque metieron, sobreoperaron y se les disparó hacia arriba el consistency rule. Entonces, dos, tres trades por día. Trades me refiero, una, dos, tres entradas por día. Eso le va a ir bajando. Mm. Hard reaction again. Just a friendly reminder, remember the Telegram VIP signals and the Discord support is not for free, guys. It's very accessible prices. So you can check there into the link. So yes. Again, a very hard reaction. Very, very hard reaction right now. So that's not good. That's not good for our intentions. Shirley is here. Careful. Um, let's see what we have. So, well, arriving into the cell zone. That's not good. So, well, it's not what I like, but well, let's see. So well, guys, it's not the best idea for me, to be honest. But well, I got a son here, so let's see. Let's see. But I think probably we will see another ATH. Um, Here we will wait the confirmation. Again, it doesn't matter if the price arrived to the sell zone, whatever. We need to wait the confirmations, guys. So let's see. 160 pips in 3 minutes. Yes, was too much. Phil, good job. Um, don't worry, my friend. Probably you will. You will be fine. You will be fine. Better working. Now it's as you can see that reaction. It's massive. It's massive. Around. Okay, here it's a 100 pips. 200 pips. Almost 300 pips in nothing. So well, Bounty CIB, muy fuerte, la verdad que duro. Pero sí, en Dominicana hay muchas estructuras así que se están cayendo. Qué duro. Ojalá, ojalá todos estén bien. Bueno, los que quedaron ahí un poco, ¿verdad? Muchos muertos y todo, pero los que quedaron, ojalá se sigan recuperando. Good morning, beautiful people. Hello, Ankara. This past week has been amazing. Yes, a lot of information, a lot of everything. Negative for José, ya lo expliqué, mi amigo. Ya lo expliqué. We had the good opportunities in London, but I was worried about this volatility days. I think London will be easier to trade in than New York. Yes, but So well, arriving very hard. Dale, José, ahí lo vas a ver. Yes, Phil. New York, it's looking very difficult. London looks a little quiet. Tokyo, for example, yesterday it didn't stop to the growing up. Just when the London starts, it go backs. Now it's just in an uptrend position. The uptrend position. And Ankara, I think you are into the Discord, my friend. If you're into the Discord, just go there. And I did a video around talking about the instant funding. The Zoom, yes, it's into the to the be funded, be funded. So while waiting the 3150, waiting the 3150, how to participate in a giveaway? Well, first we need to arrive to the 50 key. If not, we will still waiting. Just 2 key more, 2,000 people more for continue with the giveaway, guys. So yes, guys, beautiful channel. So I'm going to this this month. I have a giveaway for Telegram, Discord for free accounts in Quantikill, and for the members of the channel. So free accounts there. Quantikill is giving us the that opportunity, so that's really good. Yeah, I need that to be, my friend. It's going to be very slow. When I lose 2 or 3 trades per week, that counter, it's very slow. Some people don't understand. The stop loss is part of the trading. Some people don't understand the situations what we are having right now. The tariff, the taxes, everything with China, everything with the United States. You know, I think most of the 90% of the things what I have in my house it's for United States or for China. I think my computer is from China. I think my TV is from China. My mouse is from China. My monitor, I think, is from China. Well, the brand is for the United States, but everything inside of the computer, it's made in China. So yes, so for that reason, it's the same in the United States. They consume a lot of things for China. Probably the brand is it's the it's for United States brand, but probably the things inside of that thing what you are looking for, it's everything it's made in China. So for that reason, it's these crazy markets with the taxes there. Well, that is the conditions for thanks Donald Trump. He thinks he's the correct way. So I don't know if that it's the correct way or not. But well, he's he's making some uh crazy things for us. For him, he has sense. So well, just we need to survive, guys. That's the only thing what we need to do this week. We need to survive this week. This week, for that reason, I start on Monday telling the people in Telegram, like like it's a must to reduce the lot size in our accounts. If we don't reduce the lot size in our account, probably we will have a massive impacts there, a negative impacts. So, well, I think most of the people understand the order. Um, that was great. That was great. So, well, let's see. Let's see. He's hungry for true power and money. Yes, yes. I don't know if I don't know what happened. I don't know in his mind, but well, there's thousands of different reasons. To know, who knows? Yes, exactly. Can anyone please check my why Amplify's mobile lagging and didn't show the horizontal goal? Bunny, well, it depends of your broker, my friend. Just try to restart the app, or just uninstall that app and then again. China anuncia aumento de 100, sí, exactamente. So now they're equal. 120% in every in taxes, in tariff. Sí, Juan, está complejo. So for that reason, the goal is in trying to remember goal increase when the market fair it's it's high. So this week everyone is tired, guys. This week everyone is so tired. The investors, the government, everyone is tired. I think inclusive Donald Trump is tired too, because it's so crazy. Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, everyone lose a lot of money. Wednesday, they recover some money. Now it's looks red again. Well, normal people don't understand, that type of conditions, but I feel worried. I feel worried about these situations. As I told you, I think inclusive. Like 1 month ago, I bought a desk, a new desk, and it was made in China. It was so everything is made in China. So let's see what happened. Um, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Now they are in unequal conditions, but probably in some weeks or next week, China and United States, they it's a must. They need to talk. Seo, ¿cómo estás? Mi amigo, ¿todo bien? Estamos un poco preocupados, pero bueno. Yesterday, the day before, that was yeah, bad. Yes, very bad. What a candle! Are waiting for to reach our also. Yes, correct. Around 30.50. Um, Malika, thanks, my friend. Thanks for that support. Can you teach me how to take profit right away? Cause I feel sometimes it hit my break even. I'm very regret. Jason, yes. The thing is, when you set the break even, it's a must to it's a must to to be clear. Like sometimes your break even, it's a must to be low than your point of entry. What it means low. If your point of entry is 2, for example, or you want to set your break even, you need some must to set your break even in 2. That's the majority of people set, right? But it's better just reduce sometimes the stop loss. If your entry is 2, just set your break even. If your stop loss is 0, try to set your break even in 1. For give you an example, reduce the half of your stop loss, and probably your point of entry, if it's great, probably it will continue very very nice. I don't know if I explained good the idea. Tell me if you understand. Do you think we're going to another? Yes, we're going to another ADH. For that reason, I don't want to open a cell. But if this one give me a good confirmation, I will open it. I will open it because probably we will see a correction or something like this. The cities. Sí, mi amigo, hablo español. Sometimes, Jason, it's just depends of your stop loss. If you're, for example, if you're using 40 pips, 40 pips, um, your TP1 sometimes is a must to be 40 pips too, one by one entry. So yes. This you earn some money on yesterday market growth on Nasdaq. Lady, yes, I made really nice money on Nasdaq. I share an entry. I share an entry I need to remind me. I need to add some pips here. I made an entry in Nasdaq, and it was for, well, it was that entry was for Telegram, right? Because remember, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and the other pairs, it's for Telegram VIP channel. And the exactly moment when I open the trading goal and everything, the TPs, everything first is in the Telegram. It's in the Telegram channel. So for Nasdaq, I propose an idea. Well, not propose an idea. I give an entry for a long position. Very nice position. It made 200, 290, 235 pips. 235 pips. And then NASA continue grow up very high. Now I'm waiting for see if we can open a position for a long position again Nasdaq. So just waiting a little more and see what happened there. Lotar, no vamos a vender ahorita. So we are waiting, my friend. We are waiting, Lotar. Sí, mi amigo, nada más preguntas en español y yo te respondo sin problema, ¿no? Ya no he entrado en venta, estoy esperando. ¿Puedes explicar también algo en español? Estamos en zona en venta. Estamos en zona en venta. Estoy esperando una, un shooting star. Un shooting star significa que esto, el precio que llegue a 31.50, eh, se vea como una rejection muy fuerte. Entonces, estoy esperando eso. Por el momento no tenemos nada. Eso es lo que estoy esperando. Esto no es una buena confirmación, entonces hay que seguir esperando. So, vamos a ver. Don't sell without confirmation. Exactly. It's waiting. Is the different in lot size for Nasdaq or the same of gold? No, it's different. I use lower lot size because Nasdaq move different than gold. So it's a must to use lower lot size in Nasdaq and Dow Jones, of course. It's if I use, for example, 0.30 in gold, I will use 0.16 in Nasdaq, the half. The greatest character I've ever seen, Larito. Thanks, my friend. Thanks for that. Then sell, won't sell. Yes, for sure. I sell TP. It means right now we are not in a with the seller's sales pressure, right? So for that reason, just wait, guys. Let's see what happened in the next positions. Just pure patience, guys. So while waiting the shooting star, let's see if these candles is going to give us something. Looks like a shooting star, guys. But let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Don't sell. Will my annuity age tomorrow? It's Friday. Probably yes. Probably yes. Abdullah Sarak. But first, we need the correction. We need some correction and we will work the correction. Okay. ¿Y por qué 31.50? Porque es una zona de volumen de venta. Yo uso las zonas de volumen. Las zonas de volumen las creo en diario 4H y 1H. How you doing, Lorito? Good to see you, Sniper. Nice. Thanks for being here, my friend. Thanks for being here. Hope you're fine with you. Oh, Sabi. Thanks, my friend. Do you have a valid question or what are your opinion? Do I have a valid questions about um tell me your question, my friend. Tell me your question. So while arriving into the sun, again, let's see what happened there. With hit our zone. Yes, exactly. But now it's a must to wait the confirmation. Remember, we're waiting the confirmation, guys. The confirmation. Do we need to worry about the price breaking through? Yes. If we break that zone, this is the last zone for. This is the last zone for sellers. So if the sellers lose that point, we will see an ATH again. So 5 minutes, no confirmation. Let's see what we have. Don't worry. So, well, I think I'm going to start with the Nasdaq trade today. Um, let's see Nasdaq. Let's see Nasdaq. Can I enter now? Yes. No, of course not. Admit. You just stay there. Bro, it's just scrolling in his phone. Goal is for an 88. Yes, I'm scrolling on my phone because nothing to do. I'm in a cell zone, not in a nor not in a buy position. I can do whatever I want. If you don't like streamers, just go out of the stream. That's it. As simple as that. Waiting 4 minutes. Can you give me some Nasdaq trades, Ron G? For sure. In Telegram, I will give you some entries in Nasdaq. If you want to check that prices, there is the entry. There is the link for WhatsApp. So 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Perfect. So let's see. Can you explain the confirmation we are looking for? FGG. So I'm looking for a shooting star right now. Something, a really hard reaction, that it means to give us a good point. But right now, the sell zone is there, and I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm not into a sell position. I'm not into a sell position. Not into the sell position. I gotta thanks my friend for the recommendation here into the chat. What are you looking for? So well, I already said it. Sorry, I know. The goal is going for an 80 age. But if you are going to talk, try to do it with respect. Um, I know the goal is for going for an 80 age. I already explained my intentions. And already my son is there. If my son give me a confirmation, I'm going to open a trade because this is my trading style. Okay, right now it didn't give me any position, so for that reason, I'm not open any trade. Okay, I'm just waiting. So for that reason, I'm going to start with Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Okay, let me prepare the entry. So I'm going to be a little focus with the with with here 75. Hmm, yes, yeah. With 3.1.2. So well, 1 second, guys. Just opening a position here. 'Reaction 31.50. So let's see. 536. 46.0. 'Now we have the both entries and NAS. 116.186.600. That's 60. DB2. 1. 1.8. 693. 3. 118. 776. That's 4. OTP. Working in an entry, guys. Just patience, please. That is the working as fast as I can. Just give me 1 second, guys. So seconds, 8 minutes with gold. It gives us a reaction in the 0.5 is a must to break the 3147.40 with gold. Okay. $39, 78, 2, 2, DP2. $40, 0, 0, 17. $41.35 and So well, expecting a good reactions. Nasdaq, Dow Jones. Let's see what we have. Gold. It's not giving us that reactions, guys. 4 minutes, still near to 3150, but that's it. Nothing else. So let's see what we have. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Right now, it's not a possible entry. Right now, it's not a possible entry. So let's see. Let's see. No, my friend, I didn't active the trade right now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting the proper confirmation there. Here to that point. But as you can see, it's very shy. It's very shy right now. It's not giving us the proper reactions. So let's see. So well, guys, nothing at this moment. Nothing at this moment. So 2 minutes with no confirmation again. So it's a must to wait. It's a must to wait. Not a clear information right now. Not a clear confirmation right now. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Just wait. We have time. We have time. That's important. We have time. We have around 2 hours. I think 2 hours. 9, 10. Yes, 2 hours. So, well, I'll be back in 15 minutes, guys. Now it's not possible to take an entry right now. So, I'll be back in 15 minutes. I'm going to eat something and back. Back, guys. Let me check just one thing here. Yes, this is the ATH. Yes, it's an ATH. So, well, guys, sellers again lose all the positions, so not too much to do. Sun is taken. That's it for the sellers. I was eating my breakfast, very quiet and delicious, prepared by my wife. But I received the notification of the stop loss hit in Nas and Dow Jones. Nowadays, you can eat in peace because you will receive that surprises. So, well, again, here it's for 0.7. Stop in Nasdaq. Dow Jones still in negative. This is for 25, 35. Okay, I'm going to use the calculator. So yes, and then back, see this ATH, beautiful, beautiful. Plus 85, 350. So well, let's see what we have more. Right now, it's the I think the news it's for in 1 hour. I think. Let me check. Uh-huh. 30 years bond auction. I don't remember um that new 30 years auction. The treasury bonds. Okay, 30 years government treasury. Okay, the thing is, it's not going to move something. Not that much. But well, we got the ATH, guys. Sell zone was taken. Sell zone was taken. So for that reason, we didn't open any trade there. Into the that sell zone, guys. So ATH, ATH gold just broke all the rules. Yes, it's breaking everything. Every pair is difficult right now. I was expecting a good reaction, Nas and Dome in a buy some for 1 hour, but I think this correction is going to be for the break of a structure. So well, um, ATH. Let me clarify these positions. The resistance. The resistance is here. Okay. And the sell zone it's there. Well, the resistance were in the last resistance were in 31.62. 31.62. There. Resistance 1 hour. So let's see if they are going to taking or not. It depends. Now it's in the ATH. Good reaction into the 0 and the 5. I close at 70. Beautiful. Lamin. Good job. What is the ground with the pips and the candles, man? 1 minute candles. So like 100 pips. Patrick. Uh Nothing grum, nothing grum. It's a the candles are moving here because a lot of people is investing money right now. Everyone is moving. Sellers is moving. Um, Buyers is moving. Everyone is moving. So the thing is, I use the no more than 40 pips in the stops. No more than 40 pips. Yes, the thing is, with the positions like this, with the market like this, the only option, again, I will repeat it. It's reduce the stop loss. It's reduce the stop loss. Sorry, it's reduce the lot size. Um, but yes, it's crazy. For that reason, this week, we're in negative. We're in negative. Some pips, some trades in positive. For example, yesterday Nas gave us a beautiful full take profit, and today Nasdaq and Dow just give us an stop, right? So it depends how you trade. It depends your experience if you're positive or not. So right now, the people who don't like the stop loss probably they are in serious troubles because they are just like this. They're just like in a position not in the best position, not in the best position. And let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Right now, it's a lot of people. It's trying to go up to close positions. Yesterday, some people just take off the money, and now it's it's on a very very hard reactions. So So yes, so another ATH process. In the ATH process, first of all, I'm going to wait the resistance in 1 hour. We will break. Mm, let's see. What is your lot size, Laurito? Right now, my lot size, for example, if I open a trading goal, it's around 0.25, more or less. It depends. And Dow Jones and Nasdaq around 0.12, 0.11. So for reduce, and remember, I use the funded account, so I need to protect them. So for that reason, I reduce my lot size because uh, I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure. Most of the time, I have an idea. Most of the time, I have an idea to what the price is going to do and everything. Today, as I told you guys, my main idea was to open a trade for a long position. I'm near to 31.12, but it did the massive reaction without confirmation in 31.17. So my style of trading is not open a trade. Of course, I received the confirmation without the sun, so with no retracement. So that's I use the volume sums, resistance, break of structure for open the trades. So if that trades give us good positions, so probably I will open it. But if not, the the position is not like what I want to recommend. Okay, so 50 minutes. Let's see what we have. If going to retest, we can try the long position. So let's see. Let's see if we have the opportunity to open it to open the trade in the next minutes. 31.63 could be a good position. Again, remember my stop it's for 38 this moment. So let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement and try a good position. So preparing long positions, guys. It's a must to go back at least to 31.64. At least. This one is going to be the last trade of the day. Okay, let's be clear. This position. Waiting 30 seconds more. Now we got the possible point. Again, 31.65, 31.64. Retest. Hmm, perfect. So well now I'm into the buy position now. Let me grow it here. Let me clarify my position. Okay. Making the TPS. Routing first in Telegram. OTP. 3176. $78. $165. That 87. Remember the most important thing. This type of market, it's the stop loss. So be clear of that, please, guys. Be clear of that. 3162. Let me clarify the TP1. 69 at 50. 3171. Remember, control the lot size, please. It's important. Respect your accounts and respect always the stop loss, okay? Always respect the stop loss, guys. Always respect the stop, inclusive in this type of markets, very difficult. So, well, let's see what we have. Massive spike for 1 minute for buyers. Let's see if we got some reactions in 3163. Let me be sure for I set the stops here. Yes. It's 31. $31.62. No. So well, guys, candle for 50, 60 pips. Take the position again. So not too much to do. and it will continue falling very hard. It made around 100 pips in 3 minutes. So not too much to do, guys. I found the accumulation in 1 minute with the break of a structure there. Um, for that reason, into the break of a structure, I prepared that entry. Well, as you can see, it's almost 100 pips in 3 minutes. So there is the conditions what I have. This is the conditions what we have. Mhm. 110 pips right now. So well, this is the conditions what I have right now. So well, not too much to do. The price falling again. I'm not going to say this is the. It's going to go to retracement around 3120, or it's going to go to 3180. Probably we will see 3180. Okay, probably we will see that price there. Not too much to do, guys. Not too much to do right now. ATH process. It made a nice break of a structure here in 3164. In 3164, it made the break of a structure. For that reason, I expect a good reaction here. That was the good reaction. That was a type of pin bar reaction. Then I wait the retracement, found the 1 minute consolidation, opened the trade, but nothing. Nothing at this moment. So was for New York 3 trades in a stop in a row, guys. Sorry for that. That is the conditions what we have. in the Tokyo sessions, probably we will see another 88 or something like this. It depends of what happened in the next hours with gold. So, well, was a sell zone, not a sell zone, my friend, because in ATH you don't have an structure. Remember. So well, trading clone. That's for the day. Yeah, that's for the day. That's it for the day. We'll try in Tokyo or New York, yes, but well, for this week, probably these conditions will continue. Will continue. So it depends. It depends what happened. It depends what happened for 1 hour. I think 1 hour for the 30 years bond auction. In the next hour with that new, probably it's going to hide a little more. So yes, let's see what we have. Let's see what we have in the next hours. But now that's all for the day. So sorry guys, nothing to say, nothing to do. Just respect the stop loss again. It's this week is totally negative, very strong week. The conditions looks very hard, so it's better just respect the stop loss and don't hold positions. Remember, don't hold positions. Um, let's see what we have in the next sessions, guys. So I'll be back in the next sessions. So well, guys, see you there in New York Tokyo session. Tokyo session. So I'll be back. I'll be back. Just let's try to just survive, guys. Try to survive. Uh, in one moment of the month, we will recover some money. This day was awful, not good. Nasdaq continue falling. Dow Jones falling very hard. Um. So well, yeah. See you there, guys. Thanks for the support.